Now, to add some operations. Operations can be added globally to all of the accounts in your pool, or specifically to one account versus another. Let's add a specific operation to this one account, operations, dues, and subscriptions. We have three types of operations to add for an A-8 adjustment: a percent and a fixed amount, which you may be familiar with from the A-6 tool. And there's a new one, a net to amount. Let's quickly go over the first two. Maybe this middle account I've selected is non-allowable, so I want to offset 100% of it. Then you'll select an A8 line by either entering one in or picking from the pool, and you have an operation affecting that specific account. Now maybe you want to do a fixed amount adjustment to one of these accounts. Maybe from this $275, I know $200 is non-allowable, so I can add adjustment for that. So now you see a combination of a fixed amount adjustment and a 100% adjustment of the account balance. Now let's do a net to. The net to adjustment will automatically adjust the general ledger balance to a specified amount. Let's say I have some invoice or some external source document where this dues and subscription balance should actually be $11,000, but it's understated on the general ledger. So I'm going to want to net to $11,000, and the resulting adjustment will be posted to an A8 line. So now the tools will calculate, based on this balance that should be $11,000, I need an additional adjustment of $585. Likewise, maybe my invoice says it should only be $5,000. Well, then the tools will automatically calculate the math and realize that I need an adjustment to remove $5,415 from that general ledger account to get it to equal $5,000. Maybe you have more than one invoice. If that's the case, we have the ability to show a small little worksheet on the net to. Here you're able to input more than one invoice. So maybe invoice 1 says it should be $2,000. Maybe invoice 2 says it should be $3,500. And maybe invoice 3 has an amount of $4,500. So therefore, the grand total of all these invoices is $10,000. So I want to net this general ledger account to equal $10,000 and post it to 33. I have a description, invoice summary, and I will add it. And again, the tools will calculate the math. Based on this general ledger balance and the sum of all my invoices, it should be $10,000. I need to remove $415.